that I am
And that is why he never swears.
Titanic or Footloose? Sex on Fire. That's a tough one. Steak, I'll be boring. A telecommunications engineer for BT. T. See in the future. So I can pick the 6 numbers in on Saturday. In. Speak languages. Red button. Dogs. Jesus. Chad Kroger. Cyril Regis. And put a bit of spice in there, Margaret Thatcher. Bit sad. I reckon early 20s, because that's when I had my kids, and I think that was the best part of my life. Cheese. That I am part-time, I am licensed as a lay minister for the Church of England.